Blackpool, and it has a caravan park. You see the sunset right there? Is it full focus? Oh wow, that's going really big. I don't think the sun's that big. But yeah, this is Marton here. It's a really good nature reserve. And it also had its own caravan site. So as you can see over there, there's a holiday park with all the caravans, and yeah. So this is the fields that go all the way into the countryside, towards, I think it might be possibly like near, not near Preston, but it's like around the area there. And yeah, you can also see rabbits around this area, which is really nice. I got some pictures and videos of the rabbits earlier as I was coming in, so I'll include them in this episode. As you can see, there's not a lot of clouds around, so it's quite a clear night. I'll say night. Technically it is night, but it is about 7 o'clock at night. And oh look, oh my god, look at that, that's so nice. So you can just see the field, and like the sunset with the field, and picture that. It looks so nice. So we'll go a little bit into the forest. So here's a number of ways you can go. And there's a public footpath to go down there. I'm not entirely sure what's down there, but I think that footpath right there, I think that might lead to the back of I think it might be the zoo or Sunny Park, and I think that one's like goes straight around. So I have either path to go through. So we're going down this path. There's loads of trees around. Heading into the foresty area right now. So yeah. Here's some of the birds tweeting. There's a bunch of flies over there, and really see the sun through there. And we have a gate that we can go. So you're currently in an area of public space, and yeah, it's basically telling you to basically clean up after your dog. Common logic. So I'm currently in the forest. That I think leads up to the back of Stanley Park in the zoo. We've got some nice little flowers here. So I'm currently recording this in the middle of spring. Well, towards the end of spring. It's currently almost May. So yeah, so it's basically coming in season now, and I can definitely tell because my throat feels scratchy. So if I cannot speak in this video, it is probably because of allergies. I'm not exactly sure what these flowers are. Yeah, they look really nice. So we're getting into another couple of pathways. So we can either go right or we can go left. Or straight on. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna go this way to show off. I don't think we're gonna see that much because I know it's like it's covered in trees, but it's worth a look. So let's see what's up here. There's a little mini pathway down there. Yeah, you can actually get lost in this place quite easily. So it's like always have a map at you, like near you, like nearby, like whenever you can, because it is quite a big place, like especially when you're not used to it. So we're coming up to a little bit of an open space now. You can see some blue sky with the trees. It's really nice. There's the roasted pit that we were just in, and there's the sunset. Oh, that looks really nice like that. Why am I so out of breath? I need to remember my path of how to get back, but I have Google Maps anyway, so I should be fine. See the sun now, it's really bright in the sky. So right through here. So we're currently going back into the foresty bit again. So I know one of the paths up here, and they basically lead to staining, so I'll show it off when I get to there. Some more of those flowers I said about earlier. You can really start to hear the wind through the trees. I can't imagine coming down here when it's stormy. Oh, this looks so nice. Like the sun, like just shining, like through the kind of like tree tunnel that it's creating. Oh, it just looks so nice. Ah. Sometimes it's really nice to be in nature. And then we get a glimpse of the sun right here. So I'm gonna keep walking down. I think we're coming up to the path that leads to Staining right now. So yeah. You need to be careful of the bus times as well, because I know like at this time of night it's like once an hour. So yep. I really need to learn to drive someday. So right here is where it leads to Staining. Let's see. I won't go too far because I'm not going to go down there at the moment. But there is the way to Staining. And there's where we came from. And there's the path that I'm going to walk down for a little bit. We have another public footpath right here. And is it? I didn't even know horses could run down here. I didn't know that. Well, I guess it makes sense. I really wish the buses ran. Then again, it is Sunday, so I came on a little bit of a random day. But I did wish that that buses like came like every like 30 minutes or so, instead of an hour, because I know because especially with it being Sunday, the buses in Blackpool basically here, when it gets to a certain time, like some of them basically run like every hour. So yeah, it's like I think I'll come here like during the day sometime, and not at sunset. See a really nice view of the sun peeking through the clouds again. Look at a picture of that. Oh wow, the 0.5 view is amazing. I think I should record like this for the rest of the video. Oh, that was really nice. And there's where we came from again. And there's a little bit of a pathway. Oh, instead of like basically just cutting like all the footage away, like on these nature walks, I think that I will. So don't shake as much. So I think when I'm on these nature walks, I think I will like when I'm walking like this, when I'm not saying anything, I'll just like fast forward the video and just put some nature music over it. Not nature music, some just regular music. Go for some mud. I don't have good mud shoes, so hopefully I don't slip there. I didn't. Yeah, so this is pretty much the back of Stanley Rock. So I'm just going to check the bus time and I'll be with you in a second. So I'm basically noticing my next bus is at about 9 o'clock, so I'll head back. So I will see everyone when I get back, but I'll keep recording in fast motion. So I won't really be talking that much. I will be recording though, because I'll be just looking at the view, not talking. I wasn't originally going to vlog today, because I was just going to have a little bit of a nature walk, but here I am vlogging. I thought I might surprise everyone with some content today. I still need to upload another video, so stay tuned for the videos. right here, as you can see, are nettles. So basically, if you touch these, you're in for a treat. So basically what happens is your fingers really start to tingle, and you can probably guess what nettles do. Also, every time you see me basically go there, it's because there's people walking past, so I don't think they want themselves being on video, so yep. Look at the footpath again. Up to staining. Back into here. I apologise if the footage is very shaky, because I'm basically holding my phone by hand, and as I'm walking it's making the phone shake, so yeah, so I think I'll probably like invest on some sort of like tripod or something. So yeah, as you can see, I'm very out of breath, possibly because of allergies, but I'll be fine. I think it's because of walking. This one's so out of breath. So basically, if you want to see, I know I said I was going to do a Cleveland's live stream, but if you want to see me do a Marton Mere live stream of me walking all around it, then I could also do that. So yeah. Currently sitting down for a rest, to rest my legs and catch my breath a little bit. So that is now the path that we need to go down. So when I said before, that's the path that leads to, I think, like to Marton Mere itself, to the lake. But yeah, that was a bit of a weird noise. Some trees creaking. I think it looks like this bench might have been burnt a little bit, which is quite a shame. Because obviously these benches are made for sitting on and not playing with, so I'm guessing a bunch of teenagers have done that. Or maybe it was some kids, because you know what kids are like. Yeah, it's time to head back. I can hear something in the bushes. I don't know what it is. Is it a rabbit? Is it a bird? Is it a balloon? Or could it be Superman? Maybe it's Superman. Oh. Yeah, I think as soon as I focused on this now, that's like the noise is nowhere to be seen. Creaky noises. A bit eerie. So if you want to see me walk to stadium, I can do that actually. But since it's quite late in the day, this video, and they're very limited on time the buses, unfortunately I can't do it today, but I will definitely do it one day. So yeah, we're currently out of the forest bit. There's the sunset slowly going down. Is that a slide? I don't even know what that is. I didn't know. I'm not sure what that is. Like some sort of slide. I didn't normally have that here. Unless it's some sort of sewage plant, because I can see like kind of like a sewage plant logo. I just want to take a picture of that because that was really nice. I don't know if you can see it on the camera there, but there's so many flies. And there's some over there as well. I love how that looks like mountains, but the clouds. Some ducks. Or geese. Oh, that is amazing. Oh. Some more geese over there. There they are. There's the river. I'm gonna zoom in there. As you can see, there's... You can actually go down here, but I do not have the right shoes today. He's fine. It's amazing. So here is basically the front of Marton. So there's the caravan. I'll say the front. I'd say the main entrance for this park. So yeah, there's the river. Here's the river. You can see. Goes in here. So we are currently at the front. So I think there's the sign. Welcome to Marton. So there's the code of conduct right there. I'll put that in 0.5. Oh look, there's a centipede inside of it. That's a bit random. So yeah, there's the code of conduct. So yeah. So I think now that I'm heading back out of here, I think I'll see if I can see any rabbits. Like I did see quite a few earlier, but that was when I wasn't planning on recording, so I'll be back when I see rabbits. Earlier I saw this little one right here. I don't know if you can see that, but there is in fact a little baby rabbit right here. So I saw this earlier and it was literally like almost in the same spot. And I'm actually surprised it's not like running away or anything. So yeah, there's officially rabbits at Marton. There's a little bit of a site where I'm unsure what they're currently doing at the moment, but looks like doing something, maybe like extending like the park or something. That's my guess, but yeah. Oh, it's so tiny. It's like a baby. I wonder what its parents are. They're just eating some leaves. So yeah. Oh, he looks so cute like that. Little baby rabbit. Yeah, I'm moving a little bit. Oh, that's so cute. Oh. But yeah, I like this. I like this leaf. I'm just gonna eat it. Oh, that's the most cutest thing I've seen all week. Oh, I love animals. Like, as soon as I see an animal like a rabbit, like in the wilds, I'm just here for like ages. So I'm probably gonna have to cut this bit a little bit short. I think I could be here like literally all night if I could, but I don't want to leave it because it's actually so cute. So I could go closer, but I don't want to disturb it. Like it's already looking at me right now. Hello. Yeah, no, I'm currently waving to it right now. Oh, so cute. So yeah, I'm going to see you later, little rabbit. So yeah, goodbye.